In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a detailed woodcraft product listing in your shop manager dashboard. We'll walk through the full process in a simple, practical way so your listing looks professional, clearly communicates quality, and is ready to reach shoppers searching for handcrafted wooden pieces. Start by opening Chrome and going to your shop manager dashboard. Once you're inside your store's listing area, begin setting up a detailed item listing for your woodcraft product. This is where first impressions really matter. Take your time filling in the product information carefully because a clear and complete listing helps customers understand exactly what you're offering. When you describe a woodcraft item, shoppers want to know that it's handmade, thoughtfully built, and worth the price. A detailed listing also helps reduce confusion later, which can lead to better customer confidence. Next, upload video clips that show the craftsmanship of the item. Focus on footage that highlights the raw material build quality, the joinery details, and the structural durability of the piece. These visual details are especially important for wood products because buyers often want proof of quality before they purchase. If your item is made from solid wood, close-up clips can help show the grain, texture, and finish. If there are strong joints or reinforced construction details, make sure those are visible too. A good product video adds trust and gives shoppers a better sense of how the item was made. After that, calculate your shipping box dimension data accurately so the courier shipping charges are fully covered, especially for heavy goods. This part is extremely important with woodcraft products because they can be bulky, dense, or both. Make sure your box dimensions reflect the actual packaged item, not just the product by itself. You want your shipping information to be precise enough to avoid undercharging for delivery. Including the correct size and package details helps protect your profit and prevents surprises after the sale. Then, place targeted long-tail search terms inside your listing title lines, such as handcrafted walnut cutting board. This helps your listing connect with people who are already searching for specific wood items. Long-tail terms are useful because they describe the product in a more focused way, which can improve visibility and attract shoppers who know what they want. Keep your wording natural and relevant to the piece you're listing. Once everything is complete, click Publish to launch your listing and make it available to consumers looking for handcrafted wood pieces. At that point, your item is live and ready to be discovered. If you followed each part carefully, you'll have a listing that looks polished, communicates